There's Xavier at the waterfall. So you may think he's an adventurous kid, huh? Yep. Pretty adventurous, I would say. Pretty adventurous. Here comes Alina. She's changed into her bathing suit and she's kind of come down into the massage unit. All right, here goes Alina into the massage unit. All right. It's pretty noisy out here. Sounds like the roar of a, well, I was gonna say a jet engine, but it's not. I mean, it sounds more like a, just a roar of a waterfall, because that's what it is.
Sasha going in the water. Join Xavier.
I'm going into the massage unit right now. The hydro massage. High powered.
And this is how it's look. All this amount of water going on Tash's shoulders.
All right.
I'm drowning! I'm drowning!
You're drowning? That's not good. I hope you're not drowning. Let's make a skip and a hop over here. Oh, yeah. And look at it from the top. I'm always afraid of Xavier coming across this way. All right, nicely done.
I'm sliding out here.
You're sliding? Oh, I don't know about that. I don't think that's a good idea.
That's forget it.
Because there's a big bump there. I don't know. I think you're going to break your coccyx. Coccyx, or whatever it's called. Coccyx. Whoa!
Are you okay?
What is she doing? What is she? Whoa! So, where does this river go? Where does it go after this waterfall? It goes down over on this side here. Down the drain. Yes, sir. There. Oh, it goes down the drain. All right. Let's go. Turn around over this way.
It's like natural jacuzzi. It is warm and natural jacuzzi.
Yes, it is a natural jacuzzi. Oh. The natural jacuzzi.